Hey everyone, this is Pooja, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through one of our recent case studies where we helped a newly established dental clinic go from struggling with patient flow to building a predictable pipeline in just 1 month. So, first, we need to understand their situation. Like this clinic had just launched and it has great infrastructure and skilled dentists, but there was one major problem, like they didn't have a consistent way of getting patients because they were relying mostly on walk-ins, word of mouth, and maybe some local visibility. But as you probably know, that is not predictable at all. Some days you get patients and some days you don't. And on top of that, they had no structured marketing system in place, no lead funnel, no experience of running ads, and there was no way to track or convert inquiries. So even if people showed interest, they were not converting efficiently into appointments. Now, their main goal was very simple, like they wanted a steady flow of patients, increased appointment bookings, and a stronger presence in local area. But they didn't know how to do it digitally. So instead of running ads randomly, we focused on building a complete system because honestly, ads alone don't work. So you need the right targeting, the right offer, the right funnel, and the right follow up system. And most importantly, like a way to convert those leads into actual patients. So the first thing we worked on was the offer. Instead of going with something generic like visit our clinic, we created a clear, compelling offer that actually speaks to what patients care about, something that immediately grabs attention and gives them a reason to take action. Then we built a conversion focused landing page, not a complicated website, just something simple, fast, and mobile optimized page. And it is designed to capture leads, build trust, and encourage patient to take quick action. And here the goal was very clear, like make it as easy as possible for someone to show interest and book a consultation. Like after that, we launched the Facebook ad campaigns. Now, here we targeted a very specific local audience, used creatives that actually stops people from scrolling, and wrote ad copy that directly connects with patient pain points. So, here we didn't just run one ad and hope for the best, but we tested different creatives, different messaging angles, and optimized things almost daily based on the performance. Now, this is where most clinic usually struggle, that is lead handling or lead management. Because getting leads is one thing, but converting them is completely different game. So we made sure there was a proper system in place for quick responses, structured follow-ups, and consistent communication. Because the faster you respond, the higher your chances of converting the lead into patients. And throughout the entire campaign, we kept optimizing, like we monitored or we closely tracked cost per lead, engagement conversion, and click through rate. Now, the final result part comes. So, this is very interesting part. Like within just 1 month, we generated 58 high quality leads, and the cost per lead was around 26.40 bucks. And out of those, 15 actually converted into paying patients, and that resulted in about 72k bucks in new revenue for the clinic. And there are still leads in the pipeline, which means more potential revenue is in already motion. So the campaign continues to generate ROI even beyond the first month. Now, if you want the similar result for your clinic, then you can book a free strategy call with me. Thanks for watching.